Hello everyone, today we are here to introduce the new future crypto trading platform FonTrader, launched in early August. The platform resembles a conventional exchange like Binance or Bybit and is smoother than a MetaTrader. Now, I will present the advantages of the platform. To start, you will be able to set your leverage from X5 to X100 on almost all pairs. You also have the option to choose your margin, either isolated or cross, according to your risk profile, that is, according to your investor profile. We also have different purchase methods, all without swap fees. And finally, the last point, US residents are also allowed to use the platform. We will now conduct a demo simulation and take a closer look at the platform and its various features.
We will now move on to the demonstration of the futures platform of Crypto FonTrader. As you can see, here is the platform's interface. It looks like a completely classic exchange that everyone is probably already very used to using. Here, we will find the available crypto pairs. We will obviously find Bitcoin, Ethereum, some altcoins, including major ones, such as Chainlink, Polkadot, as well as Solana and Polygon, for example. Right here, you will have the chart with the indicators that you want to add, such as moving averages, volume, and more. It's completely customizable. You can add here the indicators that are usually found on TradingView. You have the list here. For example, we will display the Bollinger Bands, such as this. Here, you will find the volume. And there, all your tools for performing technical analysis directly on the platform's chart. Here you will find all the information from the order book. You can add market depth, etc. You will also find the current positions here with the option to close everything at once by pressing the button located right here. So, close all positions, or you can close positions one by one here by tapping on close for a partial closure. It will display like this, giving us the option to close 10% of the position, 20%, 50%, 100%, or customize by directly entering a number here. Here, as you can see, it is to close the entire position without having to do a partial closure. And the little reverse button here, but I strongly encourage you to read the firm's own specific rules before actually using this feature. It is simply to open a trade in the opposite direction of the trade you are already positioned in. Here, if we are in a long position, pressing reverse will open the same amount of contracts but in a short position. To continue demonstrating in detail the platform, here you can see that compared to trading directly on a MetaTrader platform, for example, as you can observe here, you will be able to customize whether you want to trade with cross margin or isolated margin. You will also be able to fully configure your leverage from X5 to X100 on absolutely all pairs. I will show you that whether we are on Bitcoin or, for example, on LTC, we will be able to increase or decrease the leverage from 5 to 100. Quite clear? So we will also have limit orders that will allow you to place your buy or sell orders. We will obviously have market orders. If you obviously want to enter either a buy or sell position at the current market price, as it is currently priced, you can simply enter the quantity here, so you can either select the amount of the position you want to open in USDT or directly with the number of assets you want to buy or sell. Basically, this is in order to make sure that you are able to accurately and precisely determine the exact quantity of assets you want to buy or sell. For example, here, if we simply type 50 LTC, since we are indeed in LTC, we will buy long or sell short 50 LTC. For example, if we switch to USDT, we will be able to choose to buy or sell, for instance, 10,000 USDT worth of LTC. It's quite simple to understand. Here you will be able to set your TP or SL, which means take profit or stop loss in advance, which we obviously recommend doing. And the small nuance compared to a MetaTrader, I'll come back to it as well, is that by pressing the small advanced settings button right here, you will be able to display the potential gain or potential loss on your trade, which will save you from having to use a calculator or go to third-party sites to calculate your potential gains or losses. So here, for example, let's say we're going to sell at 100. You see it will show us the profit that will be made if we sell at 100 USDT, and we had previously bought $10,000. If, on the other hand, we have a stock, say, at 40, here is the loss. Quite simply, it's as simple as that. So here, it's simply the same thing. We are still in the Take Profit Stop Loss section. If we continue to scroll down, you will obviously see the buy or sell buttons. And here, all the relevant information related to your margin and your account, the account balance, the unrealized P&L. You will have absolutely all the elements that you find on a completely standard exchange, such as, and we will have a few more customization parameters that can be found right here. So if you want to display or not certain options like limit order, market order, trigger, close all to close all positions, the small confirmation window that will appear or not, if you want to go faster or not. Simply display the close all option or not. Why do we allow it to be disabled? Simply, it prevents errors. It simply prevents errors. Let's say you want to close a single position. If you accidentally press close all positions, it can happen. You will end up closing all open positions on your account. The reverse order, same thing. So if you are not familiar with the firm's own rules, remember, hedging is prohibited. I advise you to disable this option, unless you know what you are doing and follow the rules. As a reminder, you can open a position in the opposite direction only 24 hours after the initial position has been opened. Here, you can enable or disable notification sounds and then customize the colors. It's very, very easy to get the hang of. I imagine you are all already used to using traditional exchanges. It's exactly the same thing. How to access this platform? Simply go to the Crypto Fund Trader website, purchase your account. You will receive your logins, connect to your dashboard, and click on the Futures platform. It's as simple as that.
The platform is online. If you have questions, share with us, and we will answer them in an upcoming video.